you ready to have your mind blown? Because in the last few weeks, the AI world hasn't just been moving fast, it's been rocketing past what we thought was even possible. We're talking about video generators that give Hollywood a run for its money. This is the new frontier, and I'm going to take you through all the major jaw-dropping announcements that are changing everything, because the updates are absolutely insane. OpenAI just launched Sora 2, and it's a massive leap in video generation. They're comparing it to the jump from GPT-3 to GPT 3.5. That's how big this is. Sora 2 is generating videos that are more physically accurate and realistic than ever before, with better control and, crucially, perfectly synchronized audio. But what's huge is the delivery mechanism. It's launching with an iOS app for mobile video creation and sharing initially for the US and Canada, with priority access for ChatGPT Pro users. This isn't just a research paper. This is a social media tool that puts a world-class video studio in your pocket. Plus, they've introduced a feature called Cameos, allowing you to insert yourself or others into AI-generated scenes after a one-time identity verification. This is a game changer for content creation, but the video wars are just heating up. Character AI is fighting back with the open-source OVI model. OVI is a unified generator that tackles both video and audio in a single pass. It uses a symmetrical 11 billion parameter twin backbone of latent diffusion transformers, one for video and one for audio, and they communicate via blockwise, bidirectional cross-modal attention. This means it has an insane focus on audio-video synchronization, achieved through a rigorous two-stage training process and a strict sync detection filter called SyncNet on millions of videos. OVI is making high-fidelity, open-source audiovisual generation a reality.
You always give me extra foam.
That's how I bribe loyal customers.
And speaking of open-source video, Alibaba's WAN 2.2 S2V is dominating the digital human space. This model can generate animated digital humans, avatars that can speak, sing, or perform, from just a single portrait and an audio clip. It uses audio-driven animation for incredibly synchronized speech and movement, even handling complex scenes. WAN 2.2 S2V is open source, offering 480p and 720p output options, making high-quality avatar creation accessible without high-end computing power. Now for real-time video, look no further than NVIDIA's Long Live. This isn't about making a perfect clip, it's about interactive storytelling. Long Live is a frame-level auto-regressive framework that supports real-time, user-guided long video generation, pushing videos up to 240 seconds on a single H100 GPU. It operates at an incredible 20.7 frames per second. That's real-time interaction. It achieves this efficiency by moving away from expensive dense attention to a causal attention design that uses a KV recache mechanism to instantly refresh cached memory with new prompts, allowing for smooth, narrative-adherent switches in real time. On the 4D avatar front, we have Cap4D. This technology creates truly movable 4D human avatars that are ready for gaming, VR, and entertainment. It uses morphable multi-view diffusion models to generate images from any number of reference photos, and then fits a 4D avatar to them. This avatar is then controlled by a 3D morphable model and rendered in real time. This is how you build a future where photorealistic, animated virtual doubles are common. Switching gears from motion to still images, Google's Gemini 2.5 Flash and its image model Nanobanana got a huge creative canvas upgrade. They've added a host of new aspect ratios for perfect cinematic landscapes like 21:9 and vertical social media formats like 9:16. But the fun doesn't stop there. They now support GIF generation. You can turn any image into a looping clip, and an amazing infinite zoom feature to dive into AI-enhanced details endlessly. Tencent also dropped a bombshell with HunyuanImage 3.0. This is their premier open-source text-to-image model with a colossal 80 billion parameters. It uses a mixture of experts architecture combined with a transfusion backbone, giving it sophisticated world knowledge reasoning and precise text generation capabilities. This means it can handle prompts over 1,000 characters long, allowing for incredibly detailed narratives and complex multi-scene imagery, like multi-frame comics and math tutorials. From mobile video creation to 4D avatars, the pace of innovation is accelerating in every single domain. The tools being released today are not just incremental updates. They are the foundation for the next wave of creative, engineering, and digital world applications. The future is here, it's real time, and it's absolutely thrilling.